Hashtag inspired burger. Cue the music. Hey folks, welcome back. Tell you what, about a week ago or so, I was contacted by my good friend Russell. He's over at BBQ Trucker. And he said, hey man, let's do a collaboration. I said, that's awesome. You ever done one? He said, no. I said, I haven't either. So, not knowing what we were doing, I contacted my buddy John over at 1984 BBQ, and we kind of got together and we come up with an idea to do an inspired burger for a collaboration. These guys are all making their own video. I have no idea what they're making, and today is the day we find out what each other's done. We got together and we come up with the hashtag inspired burger, and we invite any one of you to come out. And what we're doing is we're doing a burger that is inspired by a really good burger at one of our restaurants that we like to go to. Not a copycat. We're not doing a copycat, but just a burger that you were inspired by, because say, I want to do this. Recently I was at Chili's, and they have this big old, it's like about a half-pound Santa Fe burger, and I tell you what, it's awesome. And I did a little research, and when I say research, I mean when I was eating the burger, I was kind of lifting up the pieces and trying to see what was in there. And I said, I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this burger on my own, or at least one similar. And when this collaboration come out, I said, hey, this is a perfect idea. Then we can see what some other people's inspiration or inspired burgers are too. So here we go, guys. Let's get started. This recipe actually starts a few hours ago inside, and I took some footage of that, me putting together just the Santa Fe sauce. So let's go inside and take a look at what we did a couple hours ago. Okay, in researching this sauce, I was looking for a Santa Fe sauce, and I've been scoured Pinterest and everything else, and I did run across several options. One is a Boom Boom sauce, and I found this. This is put out by itsakeeper.com. I'm going to put a link to this sauce down in the description. Be sure to check them out and tell them I sent you. And several variations, several recipes, very similar, but I'm gonna base mine off of this and we'll taste it and see if we need to add whatever. Let's get going. Because I got half a cup of just mayonnaise. Good with 2 tablespoons of ketchup. This is some sweet chili sauce, guys. I can't say the name of that. Doing 2 tablespoons of this. Doing 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. And now for the good stuff. I'm doing roughly 1.5 teaspoons of sriracha. I'll just make it one good one. How about that? Just give this a good mix. Call it Boom Boom sauce. That's sweet. Ain't got no heat yet. It might come a little bit later. Would you look at that? I'm gonna cover this. Ooh, there's the heat. I just found it. Heat's coming in later. Put a cover on this, put it in the fridge. Here in a few hours, we're gonna get this dinner going. As you can see, I got 4 burgers. These 2 over here, these are around 5 ounces each. These 2 over here is mine and the wife's. These are closer to about 7 ounces, a little over 7 ounces, so just shy of a half pound. So that's where we're making our Santa Fe burgers with, guys. These right there. Smaller ones. Alright, I'm going to be careful because I don't want them to get too awfully flat. Right. Put a little bit more in there. That's going to do it right there. Yeah. The little one. These over here, I'm just doing a little salt, pepper, garlic. These will not be Santa Fe burgers. Not much left. Need to get some more. Make some more. These over here, I have a little bit of my fajita seasoning. I'm gonna go right on top of that. The wind will work with me. Okay, come in here and give these small ones a flip. Oh yeah, some good char there. Guys, do me a favor. Don't tell anyone I'm using that other brand spatula. Don't, just keep that between us, alright? Oh yeah. Oh, it's looking too good. 2 of these. Big burgers. We're going some pepper jack. And 1 of these over here, just American cheese. That's for granddaughter. Cover it up. Get these burgers off of here. Alright. We'll scrape this just a little. I want to keep that grease there, but I want that cheese off of there. Alright, I'm going to take advantage of the grease on here to get these buns going. Let that absorb some of that seasoning. Oh yeah, got a little toast in there. Good there. Oh yeah. Pull them. Hot. Ow. Y'all know me. These are some sweet Hawaiian buns, by the way. Have no idea what Chili's uses, but this is what I'm using. I'll come in with some of this boom boom sauce I made earlier today. Right on the bottom bun. Hashtag inspired burger. Come with some of these red onions. I don't need a lot of onions, but I'll take a few red onions here. 1 pickle. Got some avocado slices here. Keep that whole Santa Fe thing going on. That delicious burger. That pepper jack cheese, look at that, guys. Okay, here's where it gets tricky and even risky for me. Jalapeno pepper slices. I made this same burger for Mama and she opted out of the jalapenos. Ooh, a couple seeds in there. We're gonna risk it. Cilantro. Let the debate begin. Daddy likes cilantro. More of this boom boom sauce. See where I'm going with this. Right there, guys. You know, look at that. As a side, guys, got my homemade salsa. Just some tortillas. Let's get a bite of that. Yeah, it got hot out there. Let's give this thing a try here. Look at that. I ain't made a burger that thick in a long time. Here we go. Mmm. We'll let that set in for a second. That boom boom sauce. When I first made it, it was real sweet and had a little heat behind it. The heat's there now. Not a lot. I mean, there's definitely some heat. Guys, man, you know me. I gotta do a second bite for you. Mmm. Grandson wants to know what boom boom sauce is all of a sudden. Guys, this was awesome. It was a fun collaboration. Guys, this was a lot of fun. Great collaboration with some good friends. Be sure to go down. I'm going to have links below to my friends John over at 1984 BBQ and Russell at BBQ Trucker. Both these guys are great guys. They got all of us have younger channels, and we're all trying to grow here. So help us out. Be sure to hit the like buttons, the subscribe buttons, and guys, just put out a challenge to all of you all. Hashtag Inspired Burgers. Click on the hashtag Inspired Burgers down below or just above the title of this video, and you'll see all the videos. There'll be a link to all the videos that have the same hashtag. And you do the same. If you got to the other YouTubers out there, you're just an inspired burger. I'm not looking for a copycat. Just a burger that was inspired, that you were inspired by at a local restaurant that you eat at a lot. And go with it, have fun with it. So guys, thank you for watching. We will see you on the next video. God bless you folks. Bye-bye.